Okay, in this tutorial we are going to get our little player to go from this room to this room, and we're going to do it without using any conditions at all. So we're going to place a little block over here in this corner of the room, and then when the player hits it, we're going to go on to the next level. Now, I am going to do another video which is going to show you how to put some conditions in place, so they have to collect something before they go on, but this is the first part, so we're going to make it nice and easy. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new sprite, and we are going to call this S level 2. So I'll just call it S level 2 portal, and you can draw pretty much anything you want here. So if I click on edit image, you could draw, say for example, a portal. You could draw a door, a room, anything you want, an arrow, anything. But just for this tutorial, I'm going to use a blue block. I'd advise you just against using something like this, because obviously you need to. It'd be nice if you made something that looks, quite nice. Okay, so I've got my little block ready, and what I'm going to do is I've got a level 1 folder here. So I'm going to right click on my object, go to create, and then go to object, and we're going to call this O level 2 portal. So this is the object that we're going to interact with, and we're going to set it so that this is obviously preset. Now, once we've done that, we're going to add this to the room. So let's close that, and let's go back to room 1, and let's add in a new instance layer. And let's right click on this instance layer and call this portal. And let's drag this level 2 portal on. So let's move that smaller and just drag it down. Okay, so now essentially what we need to look at doing is setting up a collision between the player and this blue object. This is fairly easy to do. Let's double click on the old player, click on add event, go to collision with the object, then find it, whatever you've called it. And what we're going to do is we are then going to say go to room 2. So if I scroll down here, there's a go to. So a big scroll, it's this one here. So where you've got go to room, I'd always advise you to click on this little drop down menu here, then expand the rooms, and mine is just called room 2. Now if you've renamed this to like level 2 or task 2, whatever, you just need to click on it and it sets it. Never type in anything here, right? Because you could mistype something or not use a capital and it'll go wrong. Okay, so essentially now when my player hits this level 2 object, it's going to transport us to room 2. So let's just see how that works. Okay, so as my player goes around, we're going to go down here, and let's go in here and watch. Now we're going to hit this, and instantly, lovely, we're in room 2. So that's really a basic introduction on how to move between rooms with this game maker. Now I am going to do another video after this, which is going to show you how to put conditions on to make it a little bit more difficult to switch between rooms.